Ladies and gentlemen, something significant might be brewing in the NCP Ajit Pawar camp. When asked if Sharad Pawar faction MPs would join Ajit Pawar's party, NCP senior leader Sunil Tatkare, also considered to be a close aide of Ajit Pawar, ended up making a very cryptic statement. Says, wait and watch. Something big will happen in the coming few days. Sunil Tatkare revealed that while there have been no direct contacts between Sharad Pawar faction and NCP parliamentarians, informal talks have been taking place in the parliament. He declined to disclose the details of those very discussions that took place. In fact, Sunil Tatkare spoke to Republic TV a few days ago. Remember, this is a Republic news break where we've been saying that a merger between Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar camp could actually be on the cards. And that's the big political scoop that we brought to you this week. In fact, this is the first big hint that has been dropped by Sunil Tatkare after grandnephew of Sharad Pawar, Rohit Pawar. We're also going to play out Rohit Pawar's reaction that came in just about a few days ago when we asked him this question about whether at all there is a possibility of a merger between Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar. First, listen in to Sunil Tatkare while we prepare to bring to you the first response of Rohit Pawar, which came in just a few days ago.
ये वाले दिनों में अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो उनका वेलकम है.
वेट एंड वॉच, लेटेस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे कुछ घटना हो जाएंगी.
सर, जितेंद्र आवाड ने आरोप लगाया था कि उनके एमपी को तोड़ा जा रहा. आप संपर्क में हैं, सुप्रिया सुले को मंत्री के बनाने की बात की जा रही, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, इसके बारे में मैंने तो बयान दिया है 2 दिन पहले जब मैं इस टूर पे था. ना मैंने कभी किनके साथ संपर्क किया. बात ज़रूर है कि जब लोकसभा के अधिवेशन रहता है तो दिल्ली में सब लोग मिलते हैं. महाराष्ट्र से, शिवसेना से चुन के हुए एमपी हो, पवार साहब के एमपी हो, कांग्रेस के एमपी हो, कई सालों से साल हम राज्य में काम करते आए हैं. पहले बात हो गई, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरे पास क्या बात किया मैं तो आज बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. लेकिन मैंने उनको कभी टोका नहीं, मैंने उनको कभी आमंत्रित नहीं किया कि वो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ज्वाइन करें.
लेकिन क्या वो सरकार के साथ आना चाहती कि केंद्र और राज्य में दोनों सरकारें हैं और विकास और उनके काम चुनाव क्षेत्र भी होनी चाहिए?
वो तो उन्होंने तय करना चाहिए, वो तो उनकी अंदर नहीं बात है. मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ.
आने वाले दिनों में अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो उनका वेलकम है.
वेट एंड वॉच, लेटेस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे कुछ घटना हो जाएंगी.
सर, जितेंद्र आवाड ने आरोप लगाया था कि उनके एमपी को तोड़ा जा रहा. आप संपर्क में हैं, सुप्रिया सुले को मंत्री के बनाने की बात की जा रही, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, इसके बारे में मैंने तो बयान दिया है 2 दिन पहले जब मैं इस टूर पे था. ना मैंने कभी किनके साथ संपर्क किया. बात ज़रूर है कि जब लोकसभा के अधिवेशन रहता है तो दिल्ली में सब लोग मिलते हैं. महाराष्ट्र से, शिवसेना से चुन के हुए एमपी हो, पवार साहब के एमपी हो, कांग्रेस के एमपी हो, कई सालों से साल हम राज्य में काम करते आए हैं. पहले बात हो गई, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरे पास क्या बात किया मैं तो आज बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. लेकिन मैंने उनको कभी टोका नहीं, मैंने उनको कभी आमंत्रित नहीं किया कि वो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ज्वाइन करें.
लेकिन क्या वो सरकार के साथ आना चाहती कि केंद्र और राज्य में दोनों सरकारें हैं और विकास और उनके काम चुनाव क्षेत्र भी होनी चाहिए?
वो तो उन्होंने तय करना चाहिए, वो तो उनकी अंदर नहीं बात है. मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ.
Let me also bring in my colleague Krutad. Krutad, this perhaps is the biggest hint that has been dropped by Ajit Pawar's side. Wait and watch. Something big could happen. Recap for all our viewers the big news break that was brought in by Republic TV.
Indeed, Shravan, it is Sunil Tatkare who just until 2 days ago said that there is nothing true in the fact that there is perhaps some reach out taking place between Sunil Tatkare and the 8 Sharad Pawar faction MPs in the Lok Sabha. Now, this is a very significant number of MPs that we are looking at. Obviously, we saw that it was a sole NCP MP that won the Lok Sabha elections on June 4th, and 8 of them were won by Sharad Pawar faction. Now, if these 8 MPs join the NDA will officially cross the 300 mark. At present, moment it stands at 293. It would go on to 301. It would be also very interesting as it counterbalances the JDU in the NDA alliance. As we go more and more closer towards the Bihar elections, Nitish Kumar repeatedly says that he's going to stay with the NDA. But if Sharad Pawar faction's 8 MPs come to the NDA side, then perhaps the fear that if Nitish Kumar walks out tomorrow and NDA will be in a very precarious situation in the numbers game gets eliminated. In the Rajya Sabha too, the NCP Sharad Pawar faction has 2 MPs, so it would take them to 121 in full strength Rajya Sabha, only 2 seats short of the halfway mark. So NCP Sharad Pawar perhaps merging with the NDA would be a very significant step towards NDA boosting its numbers both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And we have seen repeated press conferences taking place from NCP Sharad Pawar faction leaders, notably Jitendra Avhad, who has been vehemently denying any sort of dilly-dallying between the NCP Sharad Pawar MPs and Sunil Tatkare. In fact, they tried to blame Sunil Tatkare until 2 days ago that he is the one trying to poach MLAs from their side. And Sunil Tatkare on your show, on This Is Exclusive at 7 p.m, denied it in the exclusive that we brought to our viewers. And now just 2 days ago, he's saying wait and watch. So we see how swiftly the Maharashtra politics over the years has moved. And in just a matter of 2 days, it all has now gotten even more convoluted. It all started with the visit of Ajit Pawar's mother to Pandharpur on 1st of January for New Year's, where she wished that may the Pawar family and Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar reunite together. That is what has kick-started this entire sequence of events. We also saw top leaders like Praful Patel reacting to this and saying that it is good if the both parties and the families come together. Even BJP has given a slight nod to it. The BJP Maharashtra State President Bavan Kule also said that if the family comes together, it is a great step in that direction. So is this NDA also giving a green signal to Sharad Pawar's merger and his reverse entry back into the National Democratic Alliance? That is something that remains to be seen in the days that lie ahead. Back to the studio.